Jack. Jack.
Jack.
Jack.
What's mommy want?
Jack. Can you tell Daddy happy birthday, Daddy?
Birthday, Daddy.
Wait,
Happy
say
birthday.
happy. Say Jack. Say happy. You need to open Daddy's present for him. Okay,
Open
go
it
ahead.
up. Coca-Cola. Okay.
See? Coca-Cola.
Good job.
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
See what's in the Coca-Cola box,
See
Jackie.
what's in here. Do you think it's Coca-Cola? Get in there.
Oh, boy.
You're kidding me. What
Open.
color are they?
Brown.
Cool.
You can take them back if you want.
Daddy.
Whoa, Daddy got some shoes.
Boy.
Are those cool, Jack?
Open.
Let's open them. I'm not taking them back. I'll keep them.
They're
Mom.
cheaper.
Oh. Mom. Mama.
Say thank you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Jack, say happy birthday, Daddy.
And Jackie's name.
You want Jackie to wear them?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And out.
Okay, put them on.
Okay.
Let's get you down there.
Let's see you walk in them.
Here. There's one shoe. There's the other shoe. Now walk
Oh,
around.
they fit perfectly, Jack.
Yes, they do.
Perfect.
Oh, be careful.
And then this off.
Damn, they were cheap.
Whose shoes are you wearing?